going to talk about preposition, and it would be a basic session. So we'll
Okay.
basic, then we'll learn more, and we'll go into more like depth. So, but today we'll
Okay.
just talk about three prepositions, especially the prepositions related to time. So we are
Mm.
going to talk about the usage of an, on, and in, and they're more related to time. Okay, today's session would be more related to time. So we'll just discuss that when to use an, when I'm sorry, when to use at, when to use on, and when to use in.
And
All
okay.
right.
Mm.
Okay.
Sure.
So I just want you, Rahul, could you just read out these four sentences over here? So like let me read it for you. Let me read them for you. So first one said they arrived at 9 a.m. Second says that they arrived on Friday. Then the third one says they arrived in October, and the fourth one says they arrived in 2010. So four different sentences with the different prepositions, right? So
Yeah.
here, if you see that with time, we have used at. With day, the name with the name of the day, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have used on. With
Mm.
October, like the name of the month, in has been used, and like 2000 and year, 2010, that's a year, we have used in here.
And okay.
So
Mm.
yeah, so we use at, like, right, today we are talking about time, right? When to use, at what time do you use at, what time do you use on, when to use on, when to use in, when to use at. Okay, so we use at for the time of the day. That means what
Okay.
time do you do a particular job, or what time did you do a particular job, or what time will you do a particular job, right? What time
Okay.
are you going to do any job, or what time did you do that job, or what time do you do, right? In different tenses. So in present tense, what time do you do a job, right? So
Mm.
whenever we talk about the time of the day, we always use at. So let's say at 5 a.m. So for example, uh here I say, rather than saying they arrived at 9 a.m., we can say, I mean, if the time is 5 a.m., so we can say that they arrived at 5 a.m. Or he will call me tomorrow at 9 p.m. Getting my point? So at 9 p.m. So when we use time, we use at, or at 12:30 p.m., or at 3 p.m., or at 3 o'clock, whatever you want to say that. Or with the phrase like at midnight, or so we'll do some examples as well in the slides. Or at lunchtime, or at sunset, or at the moment, right? At the moment, let's say that, sir, I'm really sorry, I'm busy at the moment, so I can't take your call.
Mm.
Or maybe
Yes.
that I cannot continue with the conversation. I'm
Mm.
busy at the moment. We don't say that I'm busy on the moment. No, at the moment. Or
Mm.
at
Yes.
present. Let's say that we can say we are in the class at present, right?
Yes.
So with present, the moment, sunset, lunchtime, midnight, or with the what do you say, that the time of the day, we use at, right? So this is the first usage of at in terms of time. Now, we use on for the days and dates. For time, we use at, but for days, let's say Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we use on, like on Friday or on
Mhm.
Fridays. Let's say that Rahul goes for a gym on Fridays. That means every Friday he goes to gym. Or for
Mm.
dates, so let's say on 12th of March or 18th of November, or the next is on my birthday. So you can
Yes.
say that she gave me an expensive gift on my birthday. Or
Mhm.
they came to see me on 15th of March, or let's on 16th of August. So whenever it is date, we use on. Whenever it
Mhm.
is a day, we use on. But if it is
Okay.
time, we use at. Okay.
Okay.
On my birthday, on weekends. Now with the word weekends, on and at both are possible, right? So American, they say on weekends, or and British, they
Mm.
say at weekends. So you can
Okay.
use either of them. You can use either weekends or at weekends or on weekends. Both are correct. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
And then let's talk about in. So we use in for longer periods. For longer periods. Okay. Like
Okay.
that is like months, years, or seasons. So in October, So let's say that he was born in October. We don't say that he was born at October or he was born on October, in October,
Oh, okay.
or in
Okay.
1998. So let's say that India got freedom in 1947. We don't say that India got freedom on 1947. We say in 1947, in the
Oh,
18th
okay.
century, in the 18th century. So let's say that the telephone was invented in the 18th century. I'm not very much sure when it was invented, but
No.
just for an
Yes.
example, right? In the 18th century or in the past, right? So you say that you used to live in Allahabad in the past. We don't say on the past or at the past or in the future, okay? Within the future or in his life. So he has never lied in his life, right? Or in
Yes.
the morning, in the evening, or in the afternoon. So with morning, evenings, and afternoons, we use in, right?
Okay.
So at is for time, and on is for days and dates. In is for longer time, like months, years, or seasons. Okay, and let's go for some examples here. So I have written a few examples here. Let's say I cannot go with you because my mom is coming at 6 p.m. I cannot go with you because my mom is coming at 6 p.m. Now here at
Mhm.
6 p.m. because it's a time of the day, right? We can't say on 6 p.m. So the reason why I cannot come with you because my mom is coming at 6 p.m. or this was
Mhm.
really important. Hence, he had to call me at midnight. Okay, so it was so
Mhm.
important. The job was very important that he had to call me at midnight. Okay, so we don't say on midnight or in midnight. Okay,
Okay.
or we'll discuss it with the manager on Friday. So Friday is a day, the name of a day, so we use on. Or I was born in 1946. So as we have already discussed that,
Okay.
1986, 1998 with the years we use in.
Yes. Okay.
So
Yes.
in
Mm.
has been used. Or she gave me an expensive watch on my birthday. So for birthday we use on. Yeah. Or let's say that people usually don't wake up early morning
Mm.
in winters. So winters it's a season. So for season, because it's a longer period of time, right? So winters are normally, like, seasons are normally for 2 to 3 months. Yeah. So for longer
Okay.
period of time we use in. Now she
Okay.
came to see me in the morning, or she came to see me in the evening, or she came to see me in the afternoon. Right, Raul? So
Mm.
these are the few situations where we use in, at, or on to talk about the time, to denote the time here. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's proceed here. So now we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Like
Mm.
I'll see you in the morning, or I'll see you in the afternoon, or I'll see you in the evening. But
Mm.
when you add the name of the day, like on which morning, like on
Mhm.
Tuesday morning, on Wednesday morning, on Sunday
Yes.
morning,
Yes.
or
Yes.
on Sunday evening, or on
Mhm.
Saturday afternoon. So when we
Okay.
add Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Mhm. Mhm.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, with the word morning, afternoon, and evening, then there we don't use in, we use on. Okay, so we can
Okay.
say that he came to me in the evening. We can say he came to me in the evening, but we can't say that he came to me in the Tuesday evening. There we have to say he came to see me on Tuesday evening. Getting my
Mm.
points? So
Yes.
in becomes like, instead of in we use on, because before this word morning we
Mm.
have the name of the day, that's Tuesday,
Day.
Wednesday,
Okay.
Thursday. So there we
Mhm.
use on, not in. So we'll say that let's say there's an example here. She'll be at home on Friday morning, not uh in Friday morning. If we don't have this word Friday, then we can say she'll be at home in the morning. Okay, if we don't have
Okay.
this word Friday over there. So in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but on the Friday morning, on the Friday afternoon, on the Friday evening. Comma points?
Mm. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for another sentence here. Do you usually go out on Sunday evenings? So do you
Mm.
usually go out on Sunday evenings here? Now why
Mm.
on? Because the word Sunday, because of this word
Yes.
Sunday, the on is there. Now, if we
On
don't
is there.
have this word Sunday, then we can say, do you usually go out in evenings? Do you
Hmm.
usually go out in evenings? But if you add, if you make it, if you be more specific, then you use on. Yeah. Or
Okay.
I sleep on Sunday afternoons. So I can say
Okay.
that I sleep in the afternoon. Okay, I sleep
Hmm.
in the afternoon. However, if I add this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then I'll say on Sunday afternoon or on Sunday morning. Getting my point?
Okay.
I
Yes.
hope that this is clear till now.
Yes. Yes. This is clear. So I have just
Okay,
one
please.
question related to the first slide. Uh, okay. So with morning, evening, and afternoon, we're using in.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is it with the night?
So at night, okay, at
Yeah.
night,
Hmm.
he'll meet me at night at midnight. Okay, you must have
Hmm.
heard people use in, right? But that's
Hmm.
in is not the correct preposition over there. At
Okay.
is
Okay.
used for time of the day or time, right? So
Yeah.
at night, okay,
Hmm. Okay.
right? Can I proceed
Okay.
now?
Yes. Please.
Okay, so we have covered this one here. Now,
Hmm.
we do not. So now there's one another thing is that we have to learn. We do not use at, on, or in before the words like last, next, this, every. So I'll
Okay.
see you next morning. I'm sorry. I'll see you next Friday. So
Hmm.
we can't say that I'll see you on the next Friday. No,
Okay.
we can say I'll see you on Friday. I'll see you on Friday. That's correct. But
Hmm.
when you add next, the next word, then you would not use any preposition and simply say
Okay.
I will see you next Friday, not on next Friday, right?
Hmm.
Or
Okay.
they got married last March. Okay, we can't
Okay.
say that they got married in last March, right?
Okay.
So with
Yeah.
the word last, next, this, every, with these words, we actually don't use any preposition. Or do you work every Sunday? We can't say that do you work on every Sunday. We can
Okay.
say do you work on Sunday, but we can't
Hmm.
say do you work on every Sunday. Yes?
Okay. Hmm. I think
So
I've
yeah.
made in this mistake
Mhm.
several times.
Yes. So we don't have to do that. We don't have to use that with every like let's say that Rahul takes class on Tuesday. Rahul takes
Hmm.
class on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Now Rahul will take class next Tuesday. So here I'll not say Rahul will take on next Tuesday. Rahul will take
Yes.
class on next Tuesday. Comma points.
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
Rahul
Yeah.
takes classes on Sunday, which is correct.
Okay.
But I can't say
Yeah.
Rahul takes classes on every Sunday. We'll say Rahul takes classes every Sunday.
Every
Okay.
Sunday. Okay. Hmm.
Now they'll finish this project this week. We can't say that they'll finish this project in this week. We don't have to
Hmm.
add
Okay.
the preposition in, right? So
Hmm. Okay.
with these words, we don't use any preposition here. Let's
Hmm.
proceed. Now, with the phrases like a few moments, 6 months, like a period, or in a moment, we use in. It they means
Okay.
like a time in the future. Okay, let's say that
Okay.
the train will be leaving in a few minutes. So let's say I'm
Okay.
standing on platform, my wife is with me, and I say to my wife, the train will be leaving in a few minutes. That means a few minutes from now. So the time when I said the sentence, from
Hmm.
that time, like in future, in few minutes, right? Or John has gone away, he'll be back in a week. He'll be back in a
Okay.
week. So that means a
Okay.
week from now. So we'll say he'll be back in a week, in a week. Or
Hmm.
she'll be here in a moment. She'll be here in a moment. Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
here in the very first slide, we have that we studied or we learned that at the moment, right? At the
Hmm.
moment, right? But it is more into present. So let's say that
Okay.
I cannot talk to you at the moment. That means at present you are busy. But
Hmm. Yeah.
when you say in a moment, that means
Hmm.
actually you are talking about future, right? So you say
Okay.
that,
Okay.
sir, I'll call you in a moment. That means you will call me. You will call me. But when you say I'm busy at the moment, that means right now you're busy. Getting my
Okay.
point? At the
Great.
moment is present. In a moment, in future. So let's say that
Okay.
if I say that, Rahul, I'll send you the WhatsApp in a moment. That means I will do that in like next
Okay.
5-10 minutes. Getting my
Yeah,
point?
that
So
is
in a
great, sir.
moment is
Yeah.
future. At the moment is present.
Okay.
So in a moment means a moment from now. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Rahul, you
Okay.
can also say in a 6 months time. So rather than saying in 6 months, you can also use this phrase in a 6 months time or in a week's time. Okay. So let's say they
Mm-hmm.
are getting married in 6 months time. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Or in 6 months. Simply, either you can say they are getting married in 6 months time or
Mm-hmm.
they are getting married in 6 months. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So this was basic or like time related the prepositions on, in, and at. There are different situations. Sometimes we use at, sometimes we use on, and sometimes we use in.
Mm-hmm.
I hope that you have got
Okay.
it.
Yes, I think
Have you,
80%.
have you
I'll revise it. Yes.
yeah? Let me just recap it. Just in, I'll take a few
Mm,
minutes and
mm,
recap it. So we use at, like at 5 a.m., at 6 o'clock. She called me at 6 o'clock, or I
mhm,
took
mhm,
food at 9 o'clock, or
mhm,
I finished my work at midnight or at lunch. Okay, or let's that we had a nice conversation at lunchtime. Okay,
mhm,
and you really in you really enjoying Kasoli at sunset. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm busy at the moment. So at the moment,
mm.
at present, at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at midnight, we use at. At night,
Okay.
we also use at, right? Now we
Okay.
use on for days, on Sunday,
Days and days.
Monday,
Mm,
Tuesday, or and for dates, let's say 15th of March or
mm,
17th of July or 23rd of August, on 23rd of August, on 16th of July, on 17th of March, or the phrase
mhm,
like on my birthday, or the words like
mhm.
on weekends. So here at weekends is also possible. Okay, now
Okay.
we use in for longer period of time. So when you say the names of the months, January, February, March, when you say March, so March is a period of 30 days, right? So
Mhm.
you use in, okay? And
Okay.
the phrases like century, 18th century, or 19th century, in the past, in the future. Okay, so there we use
Mhm.
in. And now we
Morning,
also
afternoon,
use
evening
in with
also.
the word
Mm,
morning, afternoon, evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But when you add the name, like on which
mhm,
particular morning, on Tuesday morning, so it becomes in.
mm.
So there we don't use in, we use on Tuesday morning, or on Sunday afternoon, or on Monday evening, right?
Okay.
And we don't use any preposition at, on, or in when we are actually denoting the time, when we are expressing the time, when we
Mm,
use this word last, next, this, every. With these words we usually don't use any preposition. So rather than saying I'll watch the movie next Sunday, rather than saying I'll watch the movie on the next Sunday, we'll say I'll watch that movie next Sunday. So we don't use
okay.
on. Yeah.
Mm,
So with these words, now with the phrases like in, like when we use these phrases, and it's actually these phrases are used for future. So when you say
mm,
in a few minutes, that means in few minutes from now, right? In future,
mm.
in 6 months, in a moment, that we use in. All right.